This is the Gerber MP1 Multi-Plier, model number 31-001142. Gerber has made this new multiplier for all of you who have to use different types of multipliers for different things. This has 14 functioning tools all in one. So they want you to use this one as your new multi-tool that has everything that you could imagine. You're going to start with the needle nose multiplier head, which also at the base of that has the wire cutters. It has forged jaws for some deep holding of all your little projects that you would want to get into with this. Now I have it in the open position so that way you can see all the 14 tools that come in here. It is going to have the large fully serrated blade and also the large blade that is a plain edge. You're going to have diagonal cutters, magnetic bit driver with the number 2 Phillips driver, a large flat driver, and a small flat driver. You also get a utility blade scraper, a bottle opener, the pry bar. They are all fully locking outboard components. Overall length is 6.75 inches. Closed length is 4.20. And it weighs 8.110 ounces. Made of the VG10 composite. And again, these just go right back here into the handle. And then you've got your needle nose multiplier, the wire cutters, and then you're able just to sling it around to close it up. That way it can fit nice to your pocket. It does come with this nylon ballistic sheath. It's going to have the nice edges with your orange and then the Gerber orange New Bear Grylls Survival logo. A belt loop on the back to fit through your pants. And then now as you see it in the nice closed position, then you know it can fit right into that sheath and right onto your belt. So this is the new Gerber MP1 Multi-Plier. Able just to Velcro in just like that. Model number 31-001142.